The Southwest Home and Garden Show is a unique event in Exeter. It's probably the only place that you can come and find lots of different kitchen manufacturers, energy efficiency products, garden products, interior joinery. It's literally the only place you can find all of these under one roof.
They've got a massive array of different features to see, how they can do their gardens, lawnmowers, kitchens, bathrooms.
And bring your plans, bring your developments that you've got, show the individual retailer, and we can all help you.
At the show today we've brought the Tesla Powerwall, so people love to come and see how that looks. So that's an energy storage system that allows people to generate energy during the day from solar panels and then use that in the evenings once the sun's gone down.
We offer a unique service whereby you can mix and match our products, so you can choose any of our engineered or solid floors.
You've brought 2 kitchens, a live demonstration, which we've had a chef all weekend cooking lovely little tasty treats, and AEG's new range of laundry and built-in mastery range. Not only can you come to the show and get some great ideas, you're getting some also decent information from the retailers themselves and fitters, installers.
People are doing their homework, shopping around. A venue like this, there is a variety for everybody. Garden manufacturers, furnishing, decorations.
Lots of hot tubs and jacuzzis, there's some food stalls and stuff as well. So I think you can get a really good, diverse range of things, essentially for your home and garden, whether you're looking at sort of building a new property or working on an existing property, or just, sprucing up and getting some ideas for something you've already got. There's lots of competitions, so you can win, sort of different prizes and bottles of champagne and hampers.
The parking's easy to get to, an excellent venue.
Everything for home and garden.